Hello friends, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May all Almighty keep you all happy and keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy my videos like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet bikini designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to press the bell icon. See very beautiful and amazing designs show to pupil. In all the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market. I bought such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep for guys, so I keep similar designs with my dear friends daily. Inshallah, be sure to let us now in the comment box how you can like our videos. Is you want to watch any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. Is very popular in the country, and girls also such clothes. So friends, today video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs for you guys. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. So friends, today in this video I will share with you some friends different. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. Will remember in prayer, and bye.